Today, my daughters and I are going to show you how to make these Christmas bulbs. I bought them 2 for $1 at the Dollar Tree, and they're plastic. We did a dirty pour paint over them and also some that were inside. I used a half of Floetrol. You can use that, or you can use Elmer's glue, and I used the other half a mixture of paint. So it's equal parts paint and like a paint thinner or Elmer's glue. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do that, and so let's get started. Okay, this is the paint thinner, and I'm going to mix in 3 different paints and then slightly mix it. You don't want to over mix it for this. My daughter is going to pour the paint on the outside of this plastic bulb, and it's held in place with a popsicle stick and Play-Doh, and the plate is catching the paint. It gives it a nice marble effect when finished. Now we're going to do one bulb where we're pouring the paint in the inside, and then we're going to move the bulb around so it paints the inside of the bulb, and any extra paint you can just tip it over and pour it out. And so she's just going to keep rotating it, and then the outside that accidentally was poured, she can just clean that up with a paper towel. So she's going to keep doing that until it's finished. Okay, this is my other daughter finishing up hers. She did her inside and then also the outside of hers, and they turned out really nice. She's just going to clean the outside of them. Okay, so thank you for watching. Please subscribe.